can see in the screen here is showing the rear left malfunction. Yesterday, like I mentioned just now, I have do some cleaning on the seat area. So firstly, actually I received the warning for the front left side area first in beginning. So after that, it's showing on the rear left malfunction. So I think that it's just something confusing. I mean, related on the electronic sensor or something. It's because what I did yesterday, I just cleaning by foam yesterday, just using the foam cleaning and the fabric. So yeah, however, we still can drive. Actually, it's not really urgent situation. We still can drive because it's not related on the engine part area. But of course, this is one of the warning concern too. So let's find out what happened in the actual condition, and then how we can find the solution. So to that matter, we quickly checking the workshop mode, workshop menu by click the OK and take a call at the same time, as you guys know. So click the workshop and then just quickly checking the battery. Is it any problem? Okay, basically, yeah, the battery may be still in the good conditions. Let's be quickly checking once we turn on the car. Yeah, the UB is bring up. Yeah, actually the battery is in the good conditions. You see, like UB 14 volt, IB is positive, and the BN is very healthy battery, like sometimes close to 100. Yes, so it means that it's not related on the overall voltage situation. And just quickly checking. Currently I still investigate. Based on what I researched quickly just now, it found that they have common issue. Maybe something wrong, like maybe the safety belt, wiring or sensor inside of this, and then or probably they will have some part that need to back it to position in normal way. But I just try to move it out and in, but it's still showing the rear left malfunctions. So I have quickly researched in the by using ChatGPT or Gemini, and I mentioned that yesterday I cleaning the car by using a foam a little bit on the surface of the seat, and they said it probably have an effect on the sensor. So guys, I think that maybe it have related on what I did yesterday. So maybe please, based on my experience, for you guys that watching right now, please avoid to put some foam. I think foam on the surface of the seat here, because probably we have some perforated hole inside here. Probably it have some foam move inside of this surface and effect on the wires things inside. So I think it's quite issue for me because it had related inside of these things. So that's why it's showing the malfunction situations, and suggestion that please make this car actually park under the sun for a couple of minutes or hours, and make it dry, you know. And then after that, in the same time, we need to quickly check we need to consult with workshop to do some diagnosis by using the OBD scanner. So I think that I will park this car under the sun during I working, and I will just park this car and then make it dry on the seat. After that, let's see if this warning is still there. I will consult with workshop quickly just to see maybe we have some things to figure out inside of this. Maybe some is wet, or some disturbing the wire harness, something. Probably they deactivate the SRS safety system. Like example, probably for the rear seat area, the airbag will be not activate for this time, but maybe for another area will be activate. All right, however, we still can drive normally as usual. Need to find out, maybe they have some sensor that affected on this area. So please don't panic, and just drive carefully, just normally, just keep moving until at the safe destination. So I think you can just hide the warning, you know, just back to trip menu and just move to any menu that you want. But just remind that surely we just keep in mind that the malfunction is still here. Alright, stay tuned guys. I will figure out to you guys and to me too, of course, and let's find out how to figure out these things. Enjoy, have a good day.